Hello, today I talk about how to set up Studio 5000 communicate with Vijeo Citect 2015. I use OPC software, Keepware to do the job. Let's start. First, I create a small program. I use start, stop button. Is light 1 and light 2 the on off link. Okay, look like this one. Okay, look here's light 1 is on. After 5 seconds, light 2 is on, light 1 is off. Then after 5 seconds, light 1 is on, light 2 is off. Okay. So we just start. We want. Okay, it's up running. Now we use OPC software keep server EX. We create a new one. Device. It's here we choose control Logix Designer. Here we 192.168.100. Okay. Device the device 1 is here. We choose soft Logix 5800. Here is the device ID, just estimate address. Okay, 192.168.100. Here also is 2. 2 is CPU needs a slot 2. Okay. Here, look. Here is address. Okay. We create start button. We can see. So it's good. That's me. The communication is good. Studio 5000 with the OPC. Okay. No. Okay. New is light 1. Light 2 or light 1. Okay. Light 2. Light 2. Okay. The time 1. Time 1 ACC. Okay. Time 2. Time 2 ACC. Okay. So we can see here's all working. Look, here's working. This timer is working. Okay, that's it. So now we start. Delete this. We create a new one. Still do. Okay. 5,000. Go to here, project editor, then go to service. Here I have already record one, so we just keep this one. Okay, so go to network, network 1. Okay, is address is 192.168.100.108 is compare. That's good. Then go to communication, go to express visit. Next. Here we choose OPC. Okay, next. Here, address. We should use this address. Here, keep servers ex.v5. Okay. Okay. Keep server ex.5. Okay. Next. Here we choose OPC. Go here. We choose keep service.v5. Go to channel. Go to device 1. Okay. Now we compare. Okay. Now we go to variable tag. Here you can see light 1, light 2, light start. Okay, tag number here, all of everything. So we don't do it. Then we go to a graphic build. New one. Here, click to stop button. Use 20. Start. Okay. Copy. Oh no, sorry. It's cut. Copy this one. Stop. Okay. Here go to input. Here we need this tag name. Here start. Here's technical no address. Okay. Copy. Go to here. Equal 0. Okay. Here. Copy. Equal 1. It's done. It's set. Up is reset. Okay. That's it. Stop. Stop. Equal 0. Stop. Equal 1. Okay. Now it's light is off. We use green. Yeah, green. Big. On we use red. Okay. Here is we go here. Light. We can see tag. Light 1. Okay, line. Is net 2. Set green. Okay. Then we need display time number. Here time 1. Okay. Copy. Time 2. Okay. Now we save, test. Okay. First we should compare. Yeah, comparing successful. Then go to Tools, go to Computer Setup Wizard. That's it. Now we can testing. Let me see. Yeah, everything okay. Yeah, still working. Look here, number. Okay, so we can test raw project. No. Demo. Look, here is rolling. Look. Right, green. Start. So we can start. Okay, we can stop. Yeah, start. Okay. Then okay, stop. Okay, that's it. So, thank you very much.